So this is why you want to have a power tank in your rig. We misnavigated our flight pattern.
It was just error on the operator is what it was.
Here we go. Getting some of the water out of it. We're just checking over it, making sure there's no damage. Go ahead and kind of spray on top of those motors too. Then when you know what we should probably do after is recalibrate it too.
Commercial looking for my dry bag.
And we're just, before we put that chuck, we're probably gonna have to leave that chuck up there. It's just because this is cold and you don't want to touch that with your skin, obviously. Looks like we got all the water out of it.
Most of it.
Most of it.
I'm gonna put it in a bag with that silicone, maybe it'll dry it out some more.
Yeah, so you did have some silicone packages in there? Yeah. Cool. All right.
I've got a special dry bag somewhere, but another tip, know where all your stuff is.
Yeah, kind of gets packed in there, doesn't it?
Yeah.
All right.
So I'm just going to put it in a plastic bag. I got a garbage bag. Just silica. Wrap it up tight and leave it there for the day. I'm not going to try anything with it today.
You want to put that battery in there too? It's on the front up there by your remote. In that box. Did you get it?
Yeah. Last time I did this, that's what failed with the battery.
Yeah.
This is not my first rodeo. Anytime I get by water, my drone is going in.
Yeah.
And it's air on the operator, I admit. So let me store this away in my bag here while I just stick it in this bag.
All right, so he's gonna pack all that away and we're gonna keep moving on.